Hey, super scientists! Ever wonder how computers, like your tablet or a gaming console, solve big problems super duper fast? It's like magic, right? Well, today we're going to unravel a really cool mystery and discover the secret ingredient called algorithms.
It's actually a fancy word for a super clear, step-by-step list of instructions to solve a problem or finish a task. Think of it like a recipe for your favorite cookies, or even instructions for building a Lego castle.
Let's try making a yummy sandwich using an algorithm. First, get 2 slices of bread. Second, spread peanut butter on 1 slice. Third, spread jelly on the other slice. Fourth, put the 2 slices together. Ta-da! See how each step is clear and in order? Just like our sandwich instructions, computers follow algorithms for almost everything. When you play a video game, the computer uses algorithms to make your character jump, collect coins, or even beat a boss. It's all about following those precise steps.
Isn't that amazing? So algorithms are like secret instruction manuals that help computers, and us, do things efficiently. Even everyday tasks like brushing your teeth or getting dressed are like following your own personal algorithms. Keep an eye out for algorithms everywhere you go.